Hey everybody, Michael Morrow here, your friendly financial coach, coming to you with a great update. I've been waiting a long time to give this information to everyone. People have been asking, hey, have you been updating your website? How come you haven't given us any new tips about boosting our credit score, money management? Well, let me tell you what's been going on for the past year. Three things primarily. Number one, I've been working with a high school, building their personal finance program for their young adults so they can be ready for life and making sure they're financially prepared and educated so they can be successful with their money. Number two, my wife and I just came from a well deserved vacation and we are now ready to roll out with some great things. And number three, those great things are I just released my new book series for teenagers reaching their level of financial independence. It's finally here, not one book, not two books, but three books. We've been preparing this for a long time. Now, I really need for everyone to support me. Everyone in my network group, shout out to Nashville Connect, everyone in the school systems that I've worked with, and everyone in our groups that we've connected with, family, any people that you know that's a young adult, a teenager up into college years. Some of you may even need this information because I hear all the time, I wish they would have had this when I was in school. Well, now you have it. In addition to that, this book has great information in it, and you can take notes and apply things to what you need to do now in your life. So I'll put the link in my bio or description, and you'll see it. Go straight to it. Support us on this. We need as many people as possible. We got a great price and rate going on right now for back to school. So go ahead and jump on this. We'll catch you later. Once again, this is Michael Morrow, your friendly financial coach, wishing you living well in financial 3D.